Merhaba arkadaşlar. We are going to talk about ayrılma hali, which is ablative case. Well, this is simply from. Its suffix is dan. It is in two vowel way, a or e. Very simple. When you want to say from somewhere, you need to attach this suffix after this place. Okay. İtalya'dan geliyorum. I am coming from Italy. Marketten peynir alacağım. Peynir, cheese, I'll buy cheese from market. Well, the soft consonant becomes more hard sound, because there is consonant harmony. This T, hard consonant, makes this soft consonant harder. Marketten. Tatilden döndü. Dön means return. So she returned from tatil, holiday or vacation. Leave, ayrıldık. We left. Otelden, we left from hotel. We left the hotel. Well, actually, since you have a beginning point, so since hotel is your beginning point, leaving from, you left the point. So every place you are living, you need to attach this suffix. O, so subject O. When O takes dan, it becomes ondan. Not odan, but ondan. Para, money. Parayı ondan aldım. I took the money from her. Sandalye, chair. Yer, ground. Düş, fall. I fell to ground from the chair. Again, benden, from me, yardım istedi. He asked for help from me. Araba, car. In means get out. İndim. I got out. Arabadan, from. I got out of car. In English this is of preposition, but in Turkish this is dandan preposition. Why? Because if you are getting out of the car, you are leaving the beginning point. You are not in the car anymore. You left it. Then arabadan. Arabadan indim, from car. Well, we use dandan suffix for comparatives, karşılaştırma. I'll talk about comparatives, but for nominal sentences, not for verbs. Let's see. Ben senden hızlıyım. Hızlı, fast. Senden hızlıyım. I am faster than you. Okay, actually, as you know, if there is subject which has no any suffix preposition, this is the main character. Then I am defining ben. Yes, in this sentence there is sen subject as well. But I am not defining sen. I am comparing. I am the main character. Ben hızlıyım. I am faster than you. Senden. Okay, coincidence maybe. The same sound, even in English, comparative suffix is than. Even in English. Than. Senden. Than you. Same sound. Well, this will help you to recognize this suffix easily. Okay. O benden daha zeki. Now I am defining he. He is smarter than me. Okay, as you can see, normally we don't say more. But daha means more. Actually, I don't need it because there is than already. This than is enough to indicate this comparative. But this is optional. You can use daha as well. But o benden zeki, this is enough normally. But I can also say o benden daha zeki, no difference. The only thing is that if you use daha, you can indicate adverbs as well. Afterwards, you can attach an adverb. Ondan uzun musun? Are you taller? Uzun. Are you taller than him? Well, subject is soon. I am talking about you. Are you taller than him? Sağlık, health, para, money, daha önemli, more important. Health, since health, sağlık has no any suffix, then I am defining this. This is the main character. The health is more important than money, paradan, than money. Dün, yesterday, daha mutluyum, I am happier than yesterday. I, the moon, güneş, sun. The moon is less bright, daha az, less parlak, less bright than sun, güneşten. Ay güneşten daha az parlak. Okay, as I said, after daha you can add adverb, you can indicate adverb. Daha az means less, daha az parlak, less bright than sun. I am defining moon, eye. Muz, banana, elma, apple, tatlı, delicious. Muz elmadan tatlı. Banana is more delicious than apple. Aslan, lion, güçlü, strong, değilsin. Aslandan güçlü değilsin. You are not. I am defining sen. You are not stronger than lion. Very simple. But now let's talk about comparison for verbs, for verbal sentences. Okay, very similar, but you shouldn't use daha anymore. You must use one of these words. Let's see. Senden fazla yedim. Now there is action. Yedim, I ate. Fazla, so there is no daha anymore. You need to use fazla. Senden fazla yedim. I ate more than you. Well, of course, not more, but we can say less. Senden az yedim. I ate less than you. Again, fazla and çok are same synonym for this case. Senden çok yedim. I ate more than you again. But you cannot use daha anymore. Senden daha yedim. Impossible, incorrect. Because daha indicates adjective or adverb, not verbs. Ye is a verb. No. Other examples. Seni herkesten fazla seviyorum. I love you more than everyone. Herkes, everyone. Okay, I said seni. As you can see, there is e. You are being loved. I am linking you. Who I love, sen. So sen takes e. I am linking. This is previous lessons topic. Okay. Koş, run. Sizden daha hızlı koştum. I ran much faster than you. Daha hızlı. Again, as I said, daha indicates adjectives. Hızlı means fast. Daha hızlı, faster. I ran faster than you. But this is plural you. I am saying that to many people. Berk is a name. Berk'ten daha çok yürüdüm. I walked more than Berk. So of course I mean more than Berk did. Sudan çok kola içiyorum. Su means water. Sudan çok kola içiyorum. I am drinking cola more than water. Okay. Well, another thing. Well, remember this dandan is preposition as well. Some verbs require dandan preposition. Let's see. Özür dilerim senden. I apologize from you. Yes, in English this is not from, but in Turkish this is from. You must use it. A must, no excuse. Because you need to link. You apologize from whom? Senden. Nefret ediyorum. I hate. Bundan. I hate from this. When bu text done, it becomes bundan, by the way. Again, nefret ediyorum, nefret et. Hate. This requires preposition dan'den. I hate from this. Sıkıl. Get bored. Sıkıldım. I got bored. Filmden. I got bored from the movie. Vazgeçmeyeceğim. Vazgeç. Give up. Give up once from. Yes, in English this is on. But in Turkish this is from. Senden vazgeçmeyeceğim. I will not give up from you. Servisten memnunum. I am pleased from service. Okay, of course these are not entire verbs that require done prepositions. There are more. But I just wanted to show you the logic examples. Well, maybe you don't see a clear logic behind it. Already, sometimes some verbs behave different, but don't worry about it. In my dictionary book, I left entire prepositions next to the translations. Well, you can check my dictionary and you can see what verb require what preposition. Okay, another usage, similarity. Well, there are same examples. I want you to dream that. Let's imagine that scene. You have a child and your neighbors came by you. Okay. And these neighbors have child too. And this child came in the home with ice cream, eating ice cream. Your child saw it. Of course, now your child wants ice cream as well. Your child will create 3 different sentences. Let's examine. Firstly, he or she says, dondurma istiyorum. I want ice cream. Look, now he didn't indicate any certain definite ice cream. He just said, I want ice cream. But if he says, dondurmayı istiyorum, this is definite. I want the ice cream. So there is one ice cream they can talk about. This is the ice cream the child came in, the eating ice cream, the ice cream which is eaten right now. Okay. The last case, dondurmadan istiyorum. This is the thing we are talking about now, similarity. Actually, your child means that I want the same ice cream, dondurmadan, but not the ice cream he is eating. I want this kind, this type. Dondurmadan istiyorum. This is very common usage to indicate that situation. Of course, you can see this situation very different. I want ice cream, just random ice cream. Dondurma istiyorum. This ice cream, the certain. Dondurmadan istiyorum. I want this similar, this type ice cream, not the one he is eating. No, I want new one, this type. Then brings that meaning, similarity as well. Another usage, because of, very common again. Sıcak means, well, sıcak means heat. Well, the translation is wrong. I corrected. Due to heat, I fainted. Sıcaktan bayılmışım. Sounds like from heat I fainted. Hastalık. Dizzy, hastalıktan öldü. She died from dizzy. Kanserden öldü. She died from cancer. So to create reason-result relation, you can use done. This is very extensive usage. Order. Okay, for example, you and your friends went to shop or went to cafe, restaurant, and you want to order the food. You don't want them to pay. This is on you. To say it's on me, it's on you, the coffee is on me, the breakfast is on me. To order, you can use this suffix and you can attach then after the subject. Okay, kahve, benden. Coffee is on me. Bugün bendensiniz. You are on me today. I'll pay. and so on. And another meaning, one of. Siz denim, I am one of you. Sizdenim. Bu asker bizden değil. This soldier is not one of us. And another usage, made by. Kar means snow. Kardan adam, snowman, the man made by snow. Demirden heykel, heykel statue. Statue from iron, made by iron. Well, these are every usage. We finished everything about dandan, suffix and preposition. Okay, see you in the next lesson. That's not all. Here is the most comprehensive and interactive Turkish application ever. With this app, you'll keep learning and improving your grammar, writing, listening, speaking, and reading skills through thousands of examples. Explore hundreds of topics, follow your progress, and switch between grammar mode and tourist mode for daily conversational Turkish. This is very useful, especially for travelers planning a trip to Turkey. There are more. When you make a mistake, you can view detailed explanation and sentence broken down by its suffixes. To focus on what matters most, activate suffix mode to practice only on suffixes, instead of translating whole sentence. Watch clips related to current question. Access entire library which contains all of my books and videos. Thanks to its syncable offline mode, wherever you go, you can use the app without losing your progress. Moreover, you can check my schedule and book private classes with me directly from the app. I designed it in the most ergonomic way, which lets you to use the app with one hand, only by keyboard, or just use it by voice control without even touching. There are more to discover inside this app. Thanks to its broad device support, you can use this app on phones, computers, tablets, and even on TV. I know you have been waiting for such this app. With its modern and lightweight structure, it's finally here. Enroll in my course and start this adventure now.